we are minimizing our chances out of it. The time you are breaking iftar, then you start arguing with that brother or fighting with that, then you spoil your laylatul qadr before you even started. So we have to be very careful, we have to pay attention. And a cup of tea is not worth it of someone to miss out this important night. Or a plate of food. Those are so petty, and that's not a time to argue, that's not a time to fight. That is a time to know there is a big night ahead of us, which dua is made for you or against you. So you want to be a part of the group whom the dua has been made for. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. Jibril will make the salam, the dua, for all of those that are on the good side of it. Not the one he said, may they be doomed, may they be doomed. You don't want to be part of that. And again, we have to keep in mind, that's not a night that you want to be engaged in disobeying Allah. And sometimes you may not be talking to no one, but you just have that phone, you're sitting on a corner, you're looking at the things that are totally not acceptable. You exchanging that message that is haram, you spoiling your night. And the same thing apply also on the fasting. The Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you cannot stay away from lying, false statement and things in that nature, Allah doesn't need your fasting. You may not be talking, you may not be saying nothing, but you may be taking that image that you know is a false, is haram, and you sharing with others. You are messing up your fasting. And be mindful about the same thing at this night. If you can not to get engaged in talking with nobody in that night, do it. You know what, bro? Let's talk later on. Let me focus on tonight, all right? Let us not argue over a cup of tea after Maghrib. Let us not argue over food. Let us focus. It's so important. These things are so petty, but sometimes you see brothers, you know, at the Maghrib time, they're just arguing about, come on now. You don't want to miss out your chances, all right? So it starts from when that Imam call Azan for Maghrib, then it starts. And it ends when the Fajr is called. It's not a daytime, it's not after Isha or onward. It starts from right in there when we are breaking our fast. So I just want to highlight this point for brothers and sisters to keep that on mind as we are engaged on looking for this night. Once again, about the things, I had forgot. I did not remember last year how much was it. That's why I come out with the 2 papers. And then we told you 15. It's not too much to give that to Allah. But we will start from 11, then at least do 11. If you want to do more, Allah said, فَمَنْ تَطَوَّعَ خَيْرًا فَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لَهُ. And if you give more to Allah, that's better for you. May Allah give us a better understanding. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.